Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by stopping heat generation. Remove the case and set the phone somewhere cool, around 20 to 25 degrees Celsius, not a freezer. Next, force close battery-hungry apps and turn off background app refresh, Bluetooth, and location temporarily. These continue working in the background and raise temperature. Once done, enable low power mode and drop screen brightness to 30–50% so the device reduces CPU cycles and power draw, which immediately slows the overheating trend. You now check what's causing sustained heat. Open Settings, tap Battery, and look for apps showing disproportionate energy usage or sudden percentage spikes. Uninstall or restrict those apps. Then inspect battery health. If maximum capacity is low or you see degraded performance messages, the battery chemistry may be failing and running hot. Make sure iOS is updated because software fixes thermal bugs. If updates don't help, back up and prepare for a DFU restore. To rule out, you finish by doing a DFU restore to eliminate persistent firmware faults. Back up first, then restore from DFU and test the phone under normal use for about 24 hours. If overheating persists despite a clean install, arrange a battery replacement through Apple or an authorized repair center. A swollen or failing cell often causes heat. Finally, if heat remains after a new battery, suspect logic board issues, stop using the device and get professional diagnostics, because continued operation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.